guys, so today I'll be doing a review for Ria's Slime Shop. I'll link all the information in the description. So here's the box that it came in. I'm just using a paper to kind of hide my address. It's kind of like a square box. It's packaged very cute, very nicely, pretty unique. I've never seen this before. It says Ria's Slime Shop, so there's a box within a box. So yeah, this package is really nice and cute. This box fits very well in the cardboard box, so nothing moves around, and they have a cute logo. So everything's taped up really nice. Let me go ahead and cut that. I feel bad for kind of messing up the box because it's so pretty. Let's get to the slime. So here we are. So on top it says Ria Slime Shop with all the information. Check it out. Comes with a shortbread cookie. And we have packaging peanuts. And then here are the two slimes. Alright, so here we have two different sizes or different containers, and they're each bubble wrap. So this one is called Candy Crush. There's a little charm in there, I guess. And here is what it looks like. So, I'm not sure if it's because of the weather, but it is a bit sticky, and they didn't include borax, but it's really not that sticky, and I already have borax that I could use, but it is so glossy and so pretty, so I absolutely love it. It's so glossy. Alright, and the second one we have so this one is also a little sticky, but a little borax will totally fix that problem. I love this one. Again, it is so crazy glossy, and it has so many foam beads in it. It is so fun. I love the colors. And yeah, all I need to do is add a little borax so that it's less sticky. It also makes a lot of like popping noises, so it's a lot of fun, and I would totally recommend this, although I don't know the name, but if I do figure out, I'll put it in the description box. But yeah, thanks for watching.